From Tadasana, we're going to take the right leg back, take a nice step, keeping heels to heels alignment, turning the toes in to 60 degrees or more. You're going to square the hips forward, hug the abdomen in, and you can take the arms behind you and just grab opposite elbows with the palms, or maybe coming to prayer palms, so bringing the fingertips to touch and then start bringing the palm together until the heel of the hand come together, walking the palms up the spine. As you inhale here, elongate the spine, hug the abdomen in, pressing the big toe mount on the floor. And as you exhale, start hinging forward at the hip joints, keeping your gaze forward. And if it's too much here on the front hamstring, you can have a micro bend in the knee. And then we're gazing towards that big toe, folding forward until eventually maybe straightening that knee if it's accessible. As you inhale, slowly rise up, coming all the way up to standing. Release the palms, take them to your hips, and then bend that front knee, coming to standing at the front of the mat.